Okay, this is day 3. I've had a few technical challenges, so I'm a little bit off, but we're going to get this 40 days done. Let's see, we will start with our Soul's Journey card. Mark it, shuffle, and I will let it decide for me. Excellent. And the reveal. This card is about opportunity. It is a fire card, helping you to remember to have passion for life. The physical healing that is involved with this card will help with heart problems, pericardium, which is the sac around the heart, so it's still considered heart, your small intestines, and also our energy storage fields. Small intestines can include the production of feel-good chemicals in the brain. They start in the small intestines, or the small intestines as far as sorting what is important for nourishment and passing on that which is not needed. So this is a sorting card as well to help us rule our lives from a place of power. This is also the Emperor, Empress card. The emotional healing has to do with transmuting panic into joy. The mental healing is about receiving and giving love or kindness freely. The spiritual healing, to be in complete awe of the beauty around you in any situation. And the social healing is offering your passions and unique qualities to contribute to the whole of the community. So let's take a deeper look at this. I'm going to flip back to the last part of the card, the one step deeper before we get into this to make it kind of quick. Remember to dance today, and we will put our hands over our heart and smile while we speak the statements, and we'll take a deep breath after each one. And if you want to use lemon, I have a blend that I have made that includes lemon, which I love. And what am I passionate about? This is a prompt I can journal on today. So here we go, hands over the heart. I love and explore all possibilities. I am receptive. And breathe. And release. I forgive myself for blaming others for my failures. And breathe. And release. I love and accept myself even when I have failed. And breathe. And release. I am free to embrace the adventure of life. And breathe. And release. Now put your hands palms up comfortably on your lap or next to you in the receiving pose as we listen to the short video. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Life has so much to offer. When you are curious to discover, to adventure, and to explore, you are in a position to receive abundantly because you see abundance everywhere. And thank you for joining me today and listening to this, and I will see you tomorrow on day 4 of 40 Days of Forgiveness.